just wanted to do a little quiz with you. How many cameras have I got running right now? In fact, another question for you. How many cameras do I actually own, not including my phone? This baby here, not actually using it at the moment. Yeah, any idea? Right, I'm going to share them with you right now. I have 5 cameras running at this moment, 5 of them. I have the Panasonic GH5 Lumix running at 4K over there. My main new camera, which is the Pocket 6K Pro G2 up there, and that's running 4K. There's no point in me running 6K at the moment anyway. It just takes up too much information, seriously. I have underneath that, I have an action camera, that's running at 4K. To the right of that is another action camera, that's running at 4K. And to the right of that, I have my new camcorder, or my new second-hand camcorder. And that's running at 1080p, 50 frames per second. And it should, in theory, look as good as the rest. It should. The only exceptions is maybe the action cameras. You might get that sort of, what's it called, that oval sort of shape effect. You might get that on the action cameras. I'm not sure. I haven't used them for a while. So I have 5 cameras running right now. Also, I have another action camera which is over there, not being used at the moment. And I have another camera upstairs. Again, it's not being used. And also, I have a broken camcorder. Well, what have I done with it? I've forgotten what I've done with it. It's in this room somewhere. I have a camcorder. Ah, it's over there. Okay, it's over there. That is running at the moment. So yeah, hello to you, hello to you, to you, to you, to me. Just wanted a bit of fun with you, okay? Just wanted to show you that I have more than just a couple of cameras. 5, well, 5 here at the moment, plus one over there, 6. Phone, if you like, 7. Action camera, 8. Another action camera, and one upstairs, 9. 9 cameras! Can you believe it? I've got 9 cameras in this house. Don't need 9 cameras, but I do have 9 cameras. So I might be selling one of my action cameras, maybe. I don't know. It seems very difficult for me to get rid of them. You know, I don't like to let them go because I might need it. You know, does that make sense? So with that, let me know if you like this little video or any of my other videos. If you do like any of my videos, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money. It does help me to keep on growing the channel. And also, if you do subscribe, make sure to click on the bell to get notified. And if you have any questions, post them on the comments section and I will try and answer them. So with that, thank you very much for watching.